My name is Praveen Daswani. I'm the chairman of the Hong Kong Federation of Insurers, and this is Asia Advisors Network. So moving forward for 2020, we've got 3 or 4 big objectives. The first and foremost one has to be that we continue to act as the voice of the industry. We have a very large membership. The employees of the companies which are members of the Federation are also inter alia members of the Federation by virtue of their employers being members. And the workforce is a large one in Hong Kong. Across the insurance sector. So first and foremost, we've got to make sure we speak for the industry. The other thing, the pilots we've got running through from this year, or continuing through from this year, is our training agency, where we've set up a training body to look after the training needs of the industry. As we move to a direct licensing regime with the insurance authority, our objective is to upskill participants in the market space. And so as a result of that, we want to be the leader to drive that upskill process to ensure that the insuring public has access to quality professional advice in the insurance space, and that the advisors themselves can continue to develop their own roles in the industry that they participate in. The third point that we're looking at right now is enhancing protection to policyholders as well as insurers against insurance fraud. So we've set up an insurance claims database with much vigor. It's designed with privacy in mind. We set up a very robust steering committee with some very prominent individuals in this market to ensure that the database, or the claims database, is fit for purpose. And we've gone through several rounds of scrutiny with various stakeholders, and I'm glad to say that function is up and running and it's been well received in the market. Moving forward, the scope of the claims database will continue to grow. And the idea is to weed out poor actors in the insurance space so that those who legitimately look for insurance products get a fair product at a fair price, and we're not subject to escalation of premium costs. We've set up a think tank called Club 2028, and that's to take the industry forward. We've had a number of chairmen over the years, and the only reason why we can continue to do what we do well is if we continue to train the future leaders of the industry. Club 2028 has been designed to look forward, get the younger members of the industry to participate in our work, to look forward, to assess the challenges, and to come up with some solutions. We're in very challenging times and exciting times in this part of the world. We have the Greater Bay Area initiative that we are aggressively pursuing. If you look at it from an insurance market perspective, we're going to increase the market size by 10 times by incorporating the other jurisdictions in the Greater Bay Area. That's an organic growth of the market that you just wouldn't get in any other way. And there's real potential to be had, both from the types of products we offer and the nature in which those products are offered. Essentially, the objective is to have a common market in the Greater Bay Area for the insurance services that we offer, both for insurers here and for insurers and market participants across the Greater Bay Area, which means you'll have exchange of ideas, you'll have innovation of products, you'll have more sophisticated ways of marketing. The objective, again, is to widen the scope of what we do and to innovate and develop and grow our area of expertise. This is not just good for Hong Kong. This is not just good for the Greater Bay Area. It's also good for the international players who want to come to Hong Kong, because they can then tap into the wide skill set that will come as a result. Companies looking to outside of Hong Kong, looking to tap into the Greater Bay Area, can make use of the broad skill set we offer here in Hong Kong. And the Federation is therefore the best placed organization to aid and assist those firms who want to take part in what will be a very large market. In market development terms, we've seen a number of new Tech Insurers coming into this space. They're fintech insurers, so they're supported by an insurer with the development of a very sophisticated front-end partner, and that will continue. This market will continue to grow. That's not to say traditional insurers will have lost the wind in their sails. Far from it. I make the analogy that there's use in having a big giant behind you in this market space. But we've all got to accept that in today's world, everybody's on a device of some sort. Everybody's got a wearable of some sort, and the convergence of your device, your wearable, and this financial services market is only one that will continue to grow. So we're very much a proponent of enhancing that market space, and there's a lot of work at the Federation that's done to promote fintech, to promote tech insurance. These things will continue to evolve over time, and the Federation is very much in support of it. For advisors to continue to fulfill that important role, they've got to adapt with the times. Now, we've talked about direct licensing, we've talked about enhancing professionalism, we've talked about enhancing CPD. The number of CPD hours will go up as part of the upskilling of the profession. Advisors need to embrace that. They have to embrace change. They've got to embrace technology. They've got to upskill their knowledge base, but they've also got to improve their expertise in the areas of their speciality. It's only a little while before the market moves on again, because their clients are doing so as well. And their partners in insurance are doing so as well. They've got to keep pace. There's always talk of competition from direct channels. My view is, at the moment, those are still very commoditized products, and they serve a very good gap in the market. You can't take that away from them. However, the advisor's role is to provide expertise to specialist needs and specialist requirements. That will never go away.